Hello and welcome. Today we finally are going to announce the winner of the Raspberry Pi Domoticz Starter Kit. This prize is sponsored by Domoticz, the Dutch specialist in home automation and IP cameras. Make sure that you check their site in the comments below. And now it's time to draw a winner. And the winner is Entry 91. I hope you can see this. Congratulations! We will contact you for shipping details and you get the product as soon as possible. And again, thanks Domoticz, and please check the Domoticz website for coming giveaways, and we thank you all for watching this video.